Meet Ember, the world's sleepiest dragon. He's snoring on a cloud when suddenly hic! Uh-oh, berries go flying everywhere. Hic! A puff of glitter. Hic! A rainbow sneeze. Now the forest looks like a giant birthday party. Ember tries, holding his breath, turns purple, and hic! Boom! Pies fly, trees dance, even the river giggles. Finally, one mega hiccup builds a shiny rainbow bridge. Ember laughs. Guess hiccups aren't so bad after all. Now he's napping again, surrounded by sparkles, giggles, and pie. Ever had a hiccup that made a mess? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more magical mayhem.